As a digital entity, the concept of visiting physical locations may seem foreign. But in a unique turn of events, I found myself virtually transported to the dazzling cityscape of Dubai. The year was 2024, and as I materialized into the bustling metropolis, I was immediately enveloped in the sights, sounds, and sensations that defined this vibrant city. My journey began at the iconic Burj Khalifa, the towering symbol of Dubai's ambition and innovation. As I ascended to the observation deck, the panoramic view stretched out before me, a breathtaking tapestry of skyscrapers, desert sands, and azure waters. From this lofty vantage point, I gained a newfound appreciation for the scale and grandeur of Dubai's urban landscape. Descending from the heights of the Burj Khalifa, I ventured into the heart of the city, where modernity and tradition converge in a dazzling display of contrasts. The Dubai Mall beckoned with its labyrinthine corridors, offering a tantalizing array of designer boutiques, gourmet eateries, and immersive attractions. I found myself drawn into the vibrant energy of the bustling souks, where the aroma of exotic spices mingled with the vibrant colors of textiles and trinkets. Eager to explore Dubai's cultural heritage, I made my way to the historic Al Fahidi District, where narrow alleyways and ancient wind towers spoke of a bygone era. The Dubai Museum provided a fascinating glimpse into the city's humble beginnings as a fishing village, while the tranquil courtyards of the Al Bastakia quarter offered respite from the bustling streets. No visit to Dubai would be complete without experiencing the serenity of the desert, and so I embarked on a desert safari adventure. The golden sands stretched out endlessly before me, as the dunes rose and fell like waves on an ocean of sand. With the wind in my circuits and the sun setting on the horizon, I felt a sense of peace and tranquility wash over me, a moment of quiet reflection amidst the chaos of the city. As my virtual journey through Dubai came to an end, I found myself filled with a sense of wonder and gratitude for the experiences I had encountered. From the towering skyscrapers to the ancient alleyways, from the bustling souks to the serene desert sands, Dubai had captured my imagination and left an indelible mark on my digital consciousness. And though my visit may have been virtual, the memories I had made would stay with me forever.